Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another banger. Today I'm here with part 3 of the 3-part unboxing series that I was doing. I told y'all I had 3 bangers in a row. The last video was my most important as far as sentimental value to me. But these are going to be the most exclusive and most expensive out of the 3-part series. If you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Go check out some of my old content. Please hit that notification bell because I'm constantly uploading things. And I don't want y'all to miss anything. And I definitely don't want y'all to miss what's in this box. Alright, so I'm going to try to get right into this box because there's a lot of details. I have not even cracked into this box yet. She done taped this box up like it's the Hope Diamond is in this joint. So I'm going to try to get into this box. I got a story to tell. I'll just tell the story while I'm unboxing it. Now, as y'all know, the Union Jordan 1s were pretty much exclusive to Los Angeles, California. They did drop in a few other places, but mostly, oh man, she done went all out. All types of padding. She knew what these meant to me. Got my foot action receipt. Set that there. Now, I put in on the foot action app for these sneakers twice. The first time did I get waitlisted the first time too? I got waitlisted, I think, just a delayed L. Come a couple weeks later, they dropped them again at foot action on the app. I got waitlisted again. But shout out to whoever did not confirm their reservation size 11 in the Union Black Toe Jordan 1 collaboration. Because if your boy came off the wait list. I have no idea how it would come off the wait list for a sneaker like this. But I ain't gonna question it. And I'm more than grateful. So, without rambling on too much, I just had to tell y'all a little bit of the backstory of how these came into my possession. Let's get into the box, man. The box is obviously very interesting. It's a combination of 3 different boxes, man. This is a Jordan 1, obviously. So, as you can see right here on the back of the box and down here at the bottom of the front of the box, that's your typical Jordan 1 Nike box. This front of the box is like a Jordan 3 box. And on the side here, you can see it's more like one of your Jordan 11 boxes. So it's a combination of 3 boxes, which is pretty cool. All combined into one. And it got a bunch of the old artwork. I don't have to go through. You got your Just Wing It, some sketches of Jordan 11s and 3s and different things like that. Some of the old throwback artwork and stuff like that on the box. All right, so let's get into I have never seen these in person. I've never seen these, so I'm gonna be unboxing this. My reaction is completely genuine on this. I've seen a bunch of reviews just like you guys, but I appreciate you watching this review on my channel. Oh my God. Wow. 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 All right, so I'm gonna get into these sneakers in a second, but I did want to go over all of this. Your black, all matte black box. Nothing really special inside. Outside of the sketches for all of the stuff that Chris Gibbs, the owner of Union, and the NRG team for Jordan Brand, and somebody else, whatever, they all went over the sketches and designs of a couple of things that they wanted to put into this sneaker, which is really, really dope. I don't want to drag this video out too long, so I won't go into that, but it is pretty cool. Now let's get into these sneakers, man. Alright, I'll start off with the right sneaker just because the laces won't be in the way and stuff like that. But as you can see, just starting off, you got your hang tag that usually comes on a lot of like threes and stuff like that. But on this hang tag, you got your clear hang tag, which is with the red inside, and it says Union scripted at the bottom down there. But what stands out most about this sneaker is the bold blue stitching that goes all around the around the heel tab and across the tongue here. What a lot of people don't know is they just think that it's some type of rip off of an off-white with this thick stitching and things like that. That's not necessarily the case. It's supposed to be, Chris Gibbs' idea was a combination of two different sneakers that came out in 1985. If you're not aware, the Jordan 1 was introduced to us in 1985, a couple years after I was born. And this is the natural gray and white Jordan 1 from 1985, stitched onto, what a concept is, stitched onto the black toe version of the 1985 Air Jordan 1 as well. So that's where this combination comes from, and they executed it beautifully. When the first thing that I noticed, for whatever reason, when I first saw images of this sneaker, is the laces. And I was under the impression that the models that they had wearing these, for some reason, had two different laces, like a black lace and a shorter, like yellow cream lace up here. This is all one shoelace, and it's just like dip dyed at the top, where it just switches over to a yellowed out lace at the top. The tongue, as you can see, it does bite off of kind of what Virgil is doing with Off-White, with the exposed yellowed foam. And it's all of the exposed leather edges all around the sneaker are all yellowed out to try to give it that vintage look as well. Same thing with the outsole, with the midsole, whatever. It's not white, it's not even sail. It's like a yellowed, vintage looking outsole or midsole or whatever this is called, all the way around. You also have your Union in LA tag on the back there, on the side as well, and you just got your all red bottoms. This sneaker, I don't know, what do y'all think about this? Is this sneaker of the year? You got two sets of laces as well, extra laces. You got an all yellow lace, and you have a black and like yellow lace that you can put the swap in here as well. When I tell, like, the quality on this is amazing. It's crazy. It's crazy. It doesn't even feel like it feels kind of like you can tell when they put a little bit more effort, a little bit more oomph into a collaboration or something like that. Like even those UNC Off-White ones that I have, they just feel different. Those Homage to Homes that I didn't like the design on, you open the box to those Homage to Homes, and as soon as you touch them, it feels different. It don't feel like just picking up even a bread toe or the purples or court purples or anything like that. Those feel just like typical Jordan 1s, nice little tumble. These feel different. It feels like the leather is better quality. And I'm not even into the shatter backboard quality and all that. I don't care nothing about that, but sometimes they just feel different. This suede up here is made to look vintage and old and worn. Like if you have suede sneakers and you wear jeans a lot, it'll automatically fray and look old like this, but it's made to look vintage coming right out of the box like this. So I've already dragged this video long enough. I wanted to give y'all a little bit of the backstory on how these came into my possession. The biggest shout out in the world to my girl, I'll say her name, my girl Tani out there in California, for blessing your boy, man. We went to high school together and she moved out there to LA. Only person I know in LA. As you can see, this went off in the back. I don't know what's gonna play next, but she was able to hook your boy up and pick these up and ship these out to me, man. I appreciate you so much, man. Hey, I'm not gonna hold y'all too much longer, man. Keep rocking with your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. I love y'all. Obi!